Today I'm going to walk you through how to install Python step by step on your local system. We're going to be focusing on a Windows-based platform, but Python works on other platforms too, including Mac. The first thing we need to do is we need to open up our browser and go to www.python.org. When we get there, we're going to click on the Downloads link to see all the different software that's available for download. Go to your browser, www.python.org. And when you get there, click on the Downloads button. It's really important that we choose the right software for our computer. We're going to be finding the latest version 3 release, and we want to make sure we get software for a 64-bit computer, which most modern PCs are. So now we're going to scroll down. We're going to find the latest release, which is Python 3.6. From there, we scroll down to see all of the different software that we can download. We want the Windows 64-bit executable installer, but there are other platforms. So click on that and give it a chance to download to your system. If you're using Chrome, by default, that'll go into your user downloads directory. Once we have the software, we have to install it. Now we have specific options that we have to use. I'll walk you through each one of these. We're going to be doing a custom installation. We're going to install for all users, and we're going to be adding Python to our path so that it's easy to run our programs. There are many different ways to get to your downloads. You can use Control-J and then use Show in Folder. Right-click on the executable, and if you have the privilege, use Run as Administrator. We're going to perform a custom installation, but before we do that, we want to make sure to add Python to our path, then click Customize Installation. Choose all the defaults and click Next. Click Install for all users, and you'll notice that it changes your custom install location. Click Install and give this a couple minutes to do its thing. Okay, we're almost done. When you're done, you'll see a success screen, and you're going to click on Close. Now, it's not absolutely necessary, but creating a shortcut is definitely the way to go. You can go to All Programs, find the new Python you just installed, and you're going to create a shortcut for the idle program, and then you're going to test it. So let's go down to our Windows Start, go to All Programs, scroll down until you find the new Python version you installed. Mine is 3.6. Open up that folder and right-click on the idle program and Send to Desktop to create a shortcut. And there it is. Last thing we have to do is double-click and test that it functions. When we see the interactive shell, we're going to type in a sample command just to make sure that everything's working. I'm just going to print Hello World. And if successful, it should just output my message back to me. And then I'm going to exit out of the program. Looks like everything's working great.